What if you could create viral YouTube videos in just 1 minute? Imagine having the power to generate SEO optimized titles, scripts, and descriptions, all in a fraction of the time it takes to manually do it. In this video, I'll show you how DeepSeek AI can help you create viral content effortlessly from start to finish. Whether you're a content creator, digital marketer, or just looking to optimize your videos, this tool will revolutionize the way you create YouTube content. Stick around to see how you can save hours of work and boost your YouTube success. Before we dive into the tool, let's first talk about how to find ideas that are already working on YouTube. You can't just create anything and hope it goes viral. To maximize your chances, you need to target topics that are trending and have already proven successful. Here's what I do. I head over to YouTube and search for a topic that's in demand, like how to earn money online. By searching for keywords like how to earn money online 2025, I can spot videos that are already raking in views and engagement. These videos have a high number of likes, comments, and views. These are the indicators you want to focus on. Once I find a successful video, say one titled How to Actually Make Money Online in 2025 case study, I know I'm on the right track. This is the type of content that's currently trending, and we're going to leverage that success for our own video. Next, we need to gather the gold, the content itself. Most YouTube videos, unless disabled by the creator, have a transcript available. This is a gold mine because it's a written version of the video's spoken content. All you have to do is open the transcript tab in the video description, highlight all the text, and copy it. Why do we need the transcript? This is the raw material that will help us create our own content while ensuring it aligns with what's already working on YouTube. Now comes the magic part, DeepSeek AI. This tool is an absolute game changer. Once you've got the transcript, head over to DeepSeek AI's website, paste it into the tool, and let it do its thing. You're going to type in a request like, can you generate 10 YouTube video titles based on this transcript? Within seconds, DeepSeek AI will generate a list of SEO-friendly, attention-grabbing titles that are designed to get more clicks. These titles are crafted to align with trending topics, so you don't have to spend hours brainstorming. You're not done yet. The next step is crucial, optimizing those titles. A good title is just the beginning, but a great title will make all the difference. Ask DeepSeek AI to make those titles even better by saying something like, can you make these titles more clickable and curiosity-driven? This will help DeepSeek AI add that extra punch, making the titles more enticing and likely to get higher click-through rates. After all, the goal is to grab viewers' attention right from the search results. Next, you'll need a video script, but who has time to write it from scratch? With DeepSeek AI, all you have to do is select a few of your best titles and ask the tool to write me a short video script for these 3 titles. In just moments, DeepSeek AI will provide you with a well-structured, engaging script that's designed to hook viewers from the very first second. You don't have to worry about writer's block or missing any key elements. DeepSeek AI has you covered. But wait, we're not done yet. You also need a well-optimized description to rank higher on YouTube's search results. Descriptions play a massive role in SEO, and DeepSeek AI can help with that too. Simply ask DeepSeek AI to write me a description for each of these video titles. It will generate descriptions packed with relevant keywords to improve your chances of showing up in search results. With SEO-friendly titles, a killer script, and optimized descriptions, you're ready to go viral. And just like that, in less than 1 minute, you've got everything you need to create a viral YouTube video. You've got your SEO optimized video titles, a compelling script, and descriptions that will boost your video's visibility. This entire process is made possible by DeepSeek AI, a tool that saves you time and helps you create quality content quickly. All right, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you're as excited as I am about using DeepSeek AI to level up your YouTube game. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'm always here to help. Good luck with your content creation, and I'll see you in the next video.